I was just sent the DUOMOTO puzzle, and it contains 96 rare earth magnets. These are really cool. So this one comes apart into 2 different pieces. So you can kind of fidget with 2 different things, create insanely cool shapes. One thing to know is if it doesn't flow, it doesn't go. So if you're forcing it, that's not the right way. And I have learned slowly how to put these things back together. For the longest time, I could not do it. And then after a while, you might start learning the trick to it. But what's cool is that you can make all these different shapes, and then you can combine them and make even more cool shapes out of it. So they're really fun toys and good, like just mind-bending puzzles. So we can see I just have it in 2 pieces. So now my goal is going to be to get it back together into the cube. So let's see if I can do it. I don't know. Here we go. Getting close? Did it. Okay, I didn't think that was going to happen. But wow, did it. Awesome. This is for ages 8 and up. Every time you do it, you can change it into different patterns. So you're not going to do the same thing every time. And these are great, and they make great gifts as well.